Yes, students, in the last class, we have already studied four identities. So, let's quickly revise them. Identity 1. X plus A into X plus B equals to X square plus X bracket A plus B plus AB. Identity 2. A plus B the whole square equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Identity 3. A minus B the whole square equals to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Identity 4. A plus B into A minus B equals to A square minus B square. So today we are going to study remaining three identities and how to solve sums based on it. Identity 5. A plus b the whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in the bracket a plus b. Now using this identity, we are going to solve few sums based on it. The first example, expand the following 2x plus y the whole cube. Now we are going to equate this with the original identity, that is a plus b the whole cube. From that we get a equals to 2x and y equals to b. By using the formula a plus b the whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Therefore, 2x plus y the whole cube equals to a cube. So, a is 2x. So, 2x the whole cube plus b is y. So, y the whole cube plus 3ab. So, 3 in the bracket a, that is 2x, into b, that is y, in the bracket a plus b. So, 2x plus y. 2x the whole cube, that is 8x cube plus y cube plus 3 to the 6, x into y, that is xy, in the bracket 2x plus y. Now we are going to open the bracket. 8x cube plus y cube plus 6 to the 12, x into x square y plus 6xy into y, that is 6xy square. Now we are going to rearrange. 8x cube plus 12x square y plus 6xy square plus y cube. The next sum, 2a plus 3b the whole cube. Now again we are going to equate with the formula a plus b the whole cube. Here a equals to 2a and b equals to 3b. By using the formula a plus b the whole cube, we get a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in the bracket a plus b. Therefore, 2a plus 3b the whole cube equals to a cube. So, 2a the whole cube plus b cube, 3b the whole cube plus 3 in the bracket a plus ab, that is 2a into 3b in the bracket a plus b. So, 2a plus 3b. 2a cube, that is 8a cube plus 3b cube. So, 3 into 3 into 3. So, 27b cube plus 3 to the 6. 6 3 is 18 AB in the bracket 2a plus 3b. Now we are going to open the bracket. 8a cube plus 27b cube plus 18 2 is 36 a into a square b plus 18ab into 3b, that is 18 3 is 54 a b into b square. Now we are going to rearrange the terms. 8a cube plus 36a square b plus 54ab square plus 27b cube. Identity 6. A minus b the whole cube equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in the bracket a minus b. Now using this identity, we are going to solve sum. Expand the following 3x minus 2y the whole cube. We are going to equate it with the formula a minus b the whole cube. Here a equals to 3x and b equals to 2y. By using the formula a minus b the whole cube equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in the bracket a minus b. 3x minus 2y the whole cube equals to a cube. So 3x the whole cube minus b cube, 2y the whole cube minus 3ab, 3x into 2y in the bracket a minus b, 3x minus 2y. 3x cube. So 3 is multiplied how many times? 3 times. So 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27x cube, minus 2 is multiplied how many times? 3 times, that is 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8y cube, minus 3 into 3, 9, 9 to 18, 18xy in the bracket 3x minus 2y. Now we are going to open the bracket 27x cube minus 8y cube minus multiply the brackets, that is 18xy into 3x, that is 54x square y minus minus plus 18xy into 2y, 18 to the 36x y into y square, so 36xy square. Now rearrange the terms. 27x cube minus 54x square y plus 36xy square minus 8y cube. Evaluate the following. The first one, 102, the whole cube. Now we have to write in the format a plus b the whole cube or a minus b the whole cube. But here it is 102. So we have to write in the form of multiple of 10. That is 100 plus 2 the whole cube. We know that a plus b the whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in the bracket a plus b. Here when we equate 100 plus 2 with a plus b, we get a equals to 100 and b equals to 2. Therefore, 100 plus 2 the whole cube equals to a cube, that is 100 cube plus b cube, that is 2 cube plus 3 ab. So 100 into 2 in the bracket a plus b, so 100 plus 2. Now 100 multiplied by how many times? 3 times, that is 10 lakhs plus 2 cube, that is 8 plus 3 2s are 6 into 100, that is 600 in the bracket 100 plus 2, so 102. Now we have to multiply this term. So 10 lakh plus 8 plus 600 into 102. When we multiply, we get 61200. So when we add this, we get 1061208. The second example, 99 cube equals to, now we have to write in the form of multiple of 10. So 100 minus 1 gives me 99. So I got in the multiple of 10. So that is 100 and it is 99. So I have to minus 1. So I got a minus b the whole cube in the form of, so we know that a minus b the whole cube equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in the bracket a minus b. When we equate with 100 minus 1, we get a equals to 100 and b equals to 1. So 100 minus 1 the whole cube equals to a cube, so 100 cube minus b cube 1 cube minus 3 ab, so 100 into 1 in the bracket a minus b, so 100 minus 1. So when we solve, we get 100 cubes, so 10 lakh minus 1 cube, so minus 1 minus 300 in the bracket 100 minus 1, that is 99. Now multiply 10 lakh minus 1 minus 300 into 99, that is 29,700. So when I multiply this, I got 970299. Identity 7. A plus b plus c the whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Now using this identity, we will solve few sums. Expand the following. A minus 2b minus 3c the whole square. We have to equate with a plus b plus c the whole square. Here a equals to a, b equals to minus 2b and c equals to minus 3c. Why minus? Because here it is plus c and in the sum we have got minus 3c. So c equals to minus 3c. By using the formula a plus b plus c the whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Therefore, a minus 2b minus 3c the whole square equals to a square. So, a is a. So, a square plus b square. B is minus 2b. So, minus 2b the whole square plus c square, that is minus c. 3c the whole square plus 2ab. So, a is a. B is minus 2b plus 2bc. B is minus 2b into c, that is minus 3c plus 2 into ac. So, a is a and c is minus 3c. Now we have to just multiply it. A square plus minus 2b the whole square, that is 4b square plus minus 3c the whole square, that is 9c square plus minus minus 2 into 2 4ab plus 2 into 2 that is 4 4 into 3 12bc plus minus minus 2 3s are 6 and ac, so minus 6ac. So I got the term a square plus 4b square plus 9c square minus 4ab plus 12bc minus 6ac. The second sum 5a plus b minus 3c the whole square. Now again I have to equate with the formula a plus b plus c the whole square. Here a equals to 5a, b equals to b and c equals to minus 3c. By using the formula a plus b plus c the whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Therefore, 5 plus b minus 3c the whole square equals to a square. So, a here it is 5. So, 5 square plus b square, b is b plus c square that is minus 3c the whole square plus 2ab that is 5 into b plus 2bc that is b into minus 3c plus 2ca that is 5 into minus 3c. So when I solve this, I get 5 square that is 25 square plus b square plus 3 square that is 9 c square plus 2 5s are 10 ab plus minus minus 3 2s are 6 bc minus 5 2s are 10 10 into 3 30, so minus 30 ac. Here is a note from exercise 6G. Question number 2 and question number 3 is being cancelled and it will be not there for exam. And with this we have completed the chapter and I hope you all have understood the identities, and there is a small assignment based on it. Please try to solve it. From tomorrow we are going to begin with new chapter. Dear students, please keep studying regularly and complete all the assignment which are given till now. Thank you.